everybody, Cindy A. Lewis, and it is September 30th. Time to draw the winners for our giveaways this month, or my giveaways this month. First, we're going to draw the hidden giveaways. Do remember, you are supposed to be a subscriber to my channel. This is how I celebrate my subscribers. You can win only one gift, so if your name is drawn in one of the hidden giveaways, then you're not eligible for any of the others. And then the major prize, of course, that is separate, and that is the big fall goodie box that I'll be sending out. If you didn't see what all was in it, you can go to the September 1st video and check it out. The rules are you have to be 18 and older. This is US. And if you're not US, I'm sorry, I can't do international shipping right now. So anyway, all right, well, let's do this. If I don't have your address, you'll need to go back to your original comment underneath it so that I can connect with you, because that's how I protect you as the winner of your prize, so somebody doesn't come and take that away from you and say they're you. All right. Okay, so the first hidden giveaway was for 4 tea bags on September 5th, and that is in the video, day 22 of 100 days of junk journal pockets, when we did the tea bag pockets ideas, and you had to put the word tea in the comments. You could enter every day, so let's see how many entries we got. 59. Okay, so let's see who wins the tea bags. And the winner is June Garner. Congratulations, June. It'll be fun to use those. Okay, so June won the tea bags. Okay, so the next prize is the seed bags, which are super cute, and that was a hidden giveaway on the 6th. So you had to put the word seeds in your comment. Hopefully everybody got that. And let's see how many. We have 64 entries for that. And let's see who wins the seed bags. And the seed bags go to Claire. Let's see, seed bags. Claire Van Cott. Claire Van Cott. I'm not sure, but Claire, if you'll go to your comment from the September 6th video and connect with me there, I'll make sure that you get your prize. Remember, you do have to claim your prizes within 7 days, and I will not necessarily seek you out when you have to claim it. So, all right, the next prize, thank you so much for entering, Claire, and everyone else, is for some glassine bags. When we made the glassine bag pockets, we're going to do another one too. All right, the word you had to enter was bags. And let's see how many entries we have there. 56. That's good. And let's see who wins the glassine bags. And that is Lori Butner, another new person. Congratulations, Lori. I'm glad that you entered. Thank you so much for entering. And if you would, please go to your original comment on the 14th of September in the video. It was the glassine bags video, day 31. And, you know, claim your prize. And awesome. Some new winners this month. We have some new people on the channel. Okay, so September 18th, I did a stamp set. It's a really cute border stamp set with pumpkins, and so you had to enter the word pumpkin. And I've got the video here. It was a hidden giveaway. Let's see who wins. 43 entries. Ooh, less. 43. Let's see who wins the pumpkin stamps. And that is Owl Whim, which is my friend Lori. Congratulations, Lori. Okay. Or Laura Nix. Laura, sorry. Here I am. Okay, Owl Whim. We'll stick with that. Laura, thank you. And then on the 23rd, in live, there was a giveaway of this cool crackled background stamp. You had to just enter anything in the comments after the video posted from live. And there's 21. So let's see who wins the stamp. Kimberly Christie. Congratulations, Kimberly. You are going to get a fun stamp to use in your crafting. Kimberly, I'm writing it in 2 places. All right, and the last hidden giveaway was this cute stencil. It's adorable, by the way, and you had to enter the word fall, and this was in the day 40 mini file folder pocket video. So let's see who all found this one. 40, and the winner is Catherine Leslie, another new person. Thank you, Catherine, for entering, and everyone else. I need you to go back to your comment on day 40 and claim your prize. That is how you do it, because I make sure that it is you. And I've had somebody try, well, I actually had somebody steal from me before, so we want to make sure everybody's getting their prize. All right, the last prize is a big box of fall goodies, and I'm not going to try to open it. I mean, it's over here to the right, but I just want to head over here, make sure I'm logged in. You had to put the word autumn in the comments. Let's see how many entries we have. 185 entries. That's really good. Okay, so let's see who wins the fall box. And the winner is Lori H. Congratulations, Lori H. Another Laura. Lori. This is Lori H. And you have won the fall box, Lori. I'm so excited for you. I'm writing it down so I don't forget. Okay, so anyway, thanks to everybody that participated in the September giveaway and everything. I really appreciate it. There is going to be a giveaway announced for October, so don't miss that. It will be announced October 1st. And I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you again soon. Congratulations to all the winners.